Hey friends, this is Atif here. Well, and welcome to the new update on Bitcoin. After breaking out this down channel and a symmetrical triangle, Bitcoin is rejected by this resistance of $20,800 and testing the support of $20,000. And in today's video, we will take a look at this move, and I also want to show you a very big Bitcoin bottom signal that has flashed third time in the history of Bitcoin on the monthly time frame. But before starting this analysis, if you're not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe it. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. So let's move back to this 1 hour time frame chart, and here we can see that Bitcoin was moving inside this down channel. And at the end of this down channel, before this breakout, Bitcoin also formed this symmetrical triangle as well. And after the breakout, our target for this symmetrical triangle was here. That was approximately at $20,500, and we can see that price line rallied up to $20,720. Now the next target is the target for this down channel after this breakout, and that is the top of the channel, where we have our key resistance at $21,500. But before that, we have another resistance at $20,800, and you can see previously this level has been working as a resistance and as support, like for example here as a support, and here as a support, and here as a resistance, and for several hours it has been working as a support here and as a resistance here. And right now you can see we moved very close to this resistance level and rejected and moved down at this support of $20,000. And right now we are again moving above the $20,000 and moving towards the resistance of $20,800. If it will be broken out, then it can move to the next resistance at $21,500. That is also another very strong, and that can be the key resistance right now. If Bitcoin will break out, that can be a very big market reversal signal, a bullish reversal signal from here. And I've been showing you why it is very important in my previous videos, if you're following. And you can see previously it has been working as a resistance here, as a resistance here, as a support here. Therefore, once again, it can work as a strong resistance for the price line if it will be moved there. Now let's move to the monthly time frame chart, and here you can see I've placed this William Wicks fixed market bottom signal indicator with the combination of stochastic and RSI. It works very well with the combination of RSI, and previously I've been showing you this signal on the weekly time frame chart, and we have already seen that whenever RSI enters the oversold zone, and if it gives us the signal for the market bottom, for example, back here, not here, because here RSI was not completely oversold, it was 30.37. you can watch the value here, and here it was entered in the oversold zone completely, and this signal flashed, and this was the time when Bitcoin already gave its lowest value. That was the lowest price was $152, 152.40, and then you can see it turned parabolic bullish after this signal. Again, fast forward to 2018, you can see it again entered the oversold zone here exactly on 10th of December 2018, and you can see it was already giving us the signal for the market bottom, and this was the point when Bitcoin set another low here that was at $3,122, and you can see Bitcoin never came back to this price, and it turned very, very strong parabolic bullish then. And right now you can see when RSI entered here in the oversold zone on the candlestick that was started on 13th of June, and you can see exactly on that candlestick it gave us another signal for the market bottom on this weekly time frame chart. And this was the time when Bitcoin hit the $17,592 level, and therefore in my point of view this is the current bottom for Bitcoin, and it will not break down this level of $17,552. and you can see that RSI is still in the oversold zone, and the price line, if we watch the most recent trend of price line, you can see we had a big down here, another wick that is lower than the previous candlestick, so it is lower than previous low. But if we take a look at the stochastic, then you can see stochastic is moving in the opposite direction. It has set this low here below this candlestick, and the next low you can see it is forming higher than previous high, and there is a bullish divergence on this weekly time frame chart has also appeared. Now let's take a look at the monthly time frame chart, because previously in my previous videos we have been watching this signal on the weekly time frame but did not watch it on the monthly time frame. And you can see that this is the second month that it is flashing on this monthly time frame. And this signal also, this William Wicks fix market bottoms, also indicates for the market top as well. Like for example here, when we had this rally and we entered the oversold zone, you can see that the RSI was extremely oversold. And here when it was, RSI was extremely oversold, and now it was moving down, but it was still in the oversold zone. And here we received this signal that this is the market top, and from here Bitcoin can move down. And Bitcoin moved down from $11,780 when we received this signal all the way up to $3,122. And again we received this signal, and this was again signaling that this is the market bottom, and from here Bitcoin can move up, and we can see that we had a big rally. The important thing over here is that on the monthly time frame, on the weekly time frame for the bottom, I was showing you with the RSI. On the monthly time frame, we can see that RSI has never entered the oversold zone. Therefore, I'm watching the stochastic, and we can see that when stochastic was entered the oversold zone and we received this signal, that was a perfect signal, and we had a very big rally. And again, this is for the second time for the bottom, and overall for the third time it is signaling here for the top, here for the bottom, and here again it is signaling for the bottom. And we can see that the stochastic has again entered the oversold zone, and RSI has the lower value than the previous one when we had here. You can see that we had the lowest value on the monthly time frame of the RSI. You can watch the value here, 43.83, and right now you can see it is moving at 41.86. And it is again signaling, and this is the second month, and when it started signaling we had the lowest price of $17,592, and this is the second month it is signaling for the bottom. So there is a very high probability that now Bitcoin can start a very, very big reversal move from here that will be for the long term. But again, we need to break, first of all, a lot of resistance levels, and first of all we need to break this $21,500 level. That will be the first confirmation for the market reversal. So this was the update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more ideas, you can also support me here at the Patreon, because here I'm sharing different trading ideas for you, and you can find the link to join me here in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.